Haya ni tariki inya mweri wa gatandatu mwakani wa 2024 na gitio kinene njitikiria ngoro gikunyita guku kwa Muthingi TV Gikunjuro ni gitu kia mohoro muthenya wa umuthi ngakihoka ati thiku yaku no iragithi na mbere gukwagirira ni ndayoka niguo ngumenyithio bururi wa gitindo kigari urangurehera riboti kuma county itigarite guku bururi-ini wa Kenya nginya riboti kuma Jawai tokasha bururi no mbere nda tabeto mukire matimo ma mohoro.
Mwema maria tukuhaririirie ni ate makiria ma family 5,000 guthamio thutha wa iria ria Naivasha gutua ng'ongo. Minister wa ukinyaniria na technology Eliud Walo guthundura ugugoria mweru wa internet niguo kugacirithia sekta ya ukinyaniria na watongoria guthii na mbere kuruta mawoni ngurani megie ukanania wa muguka.
Na tugagiteka muno makiria ni we gwetikira gutora na ithuriri kana ati Gikunjuro giki gitu turakimemerekia imwe kwa imwe ne dini citu ciothe cia ukinyaniria wathi kuria muno wa Facebook o tukora ko @Muthingi TV waikuruka kuria muno wa YouTube ni @Muthingi TV na nikikara giteki kio memerekia jitekaga wa irimu wa Kimani. Haya na tukebiriri na ripoti ito ya mbere ni ati ndereti egie urimi uhuthiri wa muguka no ithiete na mbere gwakiriria na kuria atongoria matiganite mareketie kuheana mawoni mao magikuruhania uhuthiri uyu na uhaguku wa ugitiri hari icigo itiganite cia bururi. Ripoti rira gituhingura Gikunjuro itu kia mohoro muthenya wa muthi.
We support the move by Honorable Owen Baya to seek to amend the Crops Act with view to reviewing the legality of Uka and Miaraho. And we are saying this knowing fully well that a number of Kenyans, especially from Embu and Meru counties, derive their livelihood from the production and sale of Miaraho and Muguka. But again, there's a bigger picture. A government that is responsible must look at the objective interest of the country and its citizens when coming up with policy decisions. Do we want to sacrifice the lives of multitudes of young people in coast and northeastern regions to support the livelihoods of a few farmers in Meru and Embu counties? Whereas the farmers of Miaraho and Muguka have got the right to derive livelihoods. Such right must be tempered with the greater good of the country as a whole. Our thinking and position is that it is not in the interest of this country. It is not in the objective interest of this country to continue to allow for the rampant consumption of Muguka with its obviously adverse effects on the lives of our young people.
Na Italiano ere aria maraiketio ngono magikuruhanio na wekinai wa gukumia ando abesha makiria ma milioni 50 na ithatu ni mareketie gucokirio passport wa ciao na kuria mushirithania munene augete shira uyu no guthii na mbere guthuthurio niguo gukinyiriria uthuthurio moico niguo makioero makinya makiwatho. Haya nayo hari sekta ya ugima wa mwiri ni gukogete adereti ya kuiguithania hari kanjo ya magavana hari gutwara sekta ya ugima wa mwiri hari thirikari nene na kuria kanjo ya magavana itogoretio ni Anne Waiguru ni marikitie kuga ati ni magukumirio ni thirikari na kuria marenda sekta ino ya ugima wa mwiri ikoro igicokio rungu rwa thirikari nene.
Allows counties to have a debt up to 90 days. And that is 3 months. And yes, when debt accumulates, it does not mean that our patients have to wait until money is available for them to get sick. Patients get sick, require drugs even when the treasury has not disbursed their monies. Governors and the counties have done very well as far as that is concerned. And we cannot be measured by just this one fact of deaths to the KEMSA, which is necessitated by delay of disbursement. On the other hand, the national government had promised to give monies or capitalize KEMSA to the tune of 2 billion, and that was about 6 months ago. That money was taken off the budget that was supposed to be for MES equipments. To date, KEMSA has not received that money, and therefore even KEMSA itself is struggling. So even when you look at the 3 billion that is said to be owed by the Council of Governors or the counties, let the national government also give the KEMSA the 2 billion so that it will be able to meet the order deferreds that is supposed to be over 70% to ensure that counties have everything that they order from KEMSA. At the moment, it's not everything that they order from KEMSA that is available. And therefore, counties could be having debt also for other entities outside beyond KEMSA that are supplying drugs, or they may have even have. And therefore, it is not only KEMSA that is a source of drugs.
Nake minister wa ukinyaniria guku bururi-ini niwe Eliud Owalo acerete kuria kaunti-ini ya Siaya ni arikitie kuga ati thirikari ni irikitie kuruguria uthunduri mweru wa